Welcome to today's guide on how to save a photo from Instagram on your PC, especially with the new updates that make this process a bit easier. If you've ever come across a stunning image on Instagram and wished you could save it directly to your computer, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram. Head over to your preferred web browser and navigate to Instagram.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to all the photos and posts from accounts you follow. Next, find the photo you want to save. You can either scroll through your feed or use the search function to locate a specific profile or hashtag. Once you find the image that catches your eye, click on it. This action will bring up a larger view of the photo, allowing you to see it in detail. Now comes the important part. Click on the save icon. Instagram has recently updated its interface, making it easier to save images. Look for the three dots icon located above the post. Click on it, and you'll see an option that says Copy Link. Select this option to copy the URL of the photo. After copying the link, open a new tab in your browser and paste the URL into the address bar. Press Enter, and this will take you directly to the photo's dedicated page. From here, right-click on the image and select Open Image in New Tab. This step is crucial as it allows you to view the image in its full resolution. Finally, right-click on the image again in this new tab and choose Save Image As. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to select where you want to save the file on your computer. Choose your desired location, name the file if needed, and click Save. And there you have it. You've successfully saved a photo from Instagram onto your PC. Remember, while it's great to save images for personal use, always respect copyright laws and give credit where it's due if you share them elsewhere. Enjoy your newfound ability to keep those favorite Instagram moments.